What if I told you that one federal court decision could immediately change the way your organization manages employment authorization and Form I-9 compliance? That's exactly what's happening. For HR leaders, business owners, and executives, these changes are more than headlines. They create real operational, compliance, and workforce risks that require informed decision making. I'm Roger Polius, Executive HR Advisor and Fractional CHRO with EVC Advisors. In today's executive briefing, we're discussing what the latest developments surrounding temporary protected status may mean for employers, the questions HR leaders should be asking, and the practical steps organizations should consider before making employment decisions. This discussion reflects an executive HR perspective and is intended for educational purposes only. It is not legal advice. The biggest mistake organizations make during periods of regulatory change isn't necessarily making the wrong decision, it's making decisions too quickly. Every time immigration policy changes, organizations begin asking the same questions. Can employees continue working? Do employment authorization documents remain valid? Should we re-verify employees? Can we terminate employment? Those questions deserve careful analysis, not assumptions. One lesson I've learned throughout my executive career is this: organizations rarely get into trouble because regulations change. They get into trouble because they fail to establish disciplined decision-making processes. Strong organizations pause, they verify the facts, they review official guidance, they document their actions, and they ensure consistency across every employment decision. That's what good governance looks like. If you're leading an organization today, this isn't simply an immigration discussion, it's a leadership discussion, because every regulatory change tests whether your organization has mature compliance processes or whether it's reacting emotionally to headlines. The organizations that manage risk effectively are the organizations that prepare before the next change arrives. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. If you found value in this executive briefing, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Every week, we break down the workforce issues, leadership challenges, and business trends shaping today's organizations, giving you practical executive insights you can immediately apply. This is Roger Polius with EVC Advisors. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, lead with confidence, and I'll see you in the next executive briefing.